Hello everybody, this is Dolphin Readers status level Baby Animals. Baby Animals by Richard Northcott. This dog has two puppies. They are very cute. One puppy, two puppies, three puppies, four puppies, five puppies, and six puppies. This is a kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. Small kitten, big cat, puppy, dog. This is a mother sheep. She has two lambs. Lambs. Be silent. Circle yes or no. The first one is done for you. This is a sheep. Yes. This is a dog. This is a puppy. This is a cat. This is a kitten. This is a dog. This is a lamb. Yes or no? These are baby rabbits. They have long ears. Circle yes or no. The first one is done for you. I can see four rabbits. Yes or no? I can see three rabbits. The rabbits are black. Yes or no? The rabbits are small. Yes or no? The rabbits are big. They have long ears. They have pink eyes. They have blue noses. They have blue noses? No. This lion has two cups. Lion cups like to play. How many rabbits? You check and say the number. How many? How many cups? How many cups? How many kittens? How many kittens? How many puppies? How many puppies? How many lambs? How many lambs? How many animals? How many animals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 animals. This baby gorilla is on his father's back. Baby gorilla. He loves his father. Circle the picture. The first one is done for you. This is a gorilla. This is a puppy. This is a lamb. This is a kitten. This is a rabbit. This is a lion. These baby birds are in a tree. The baby birds are looking at me. Baby birds. This is a dog. This is to read aloud. The dog has 4 puppies. This is a mother cat. She has a cute kitten. This is a mother sheep. She has 2 lambs. This is a mother lion. She has 3 cups. The baby gorilla loves his father. Father. Picture dictionary. Bird, black, brown, cat, cub, dog, gorilla, green, kitten, lamb, lion, puppy, rabbit, sheep, tree. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.